Hey everybody, I'm Nathan Nelson and this is a sorting visualizer tool that I put together. I built this using JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. And I had the idea to make this because recent learning led me to algorithms, specifically sorting algorithms. So I was studying up on them. I came across several visualizers that I found to be pretty helpful in understanding how each algorithm accomplished its task. So, what better way to hammer home these concepts in my brain than to try and create a visualizer tool of my own? As you can see here, the design of this web page is pretty simple. Along the header, we have a new chart button. We'll go ahead and click that, and you'll see that generates a random bar chart that's about 50 bars long. I created this chart dynamically in my JavaScript file. I have a function that iterates through 50 items, and on each iteration it creates a div element and then appends that element to the bar container I have in my HTML file. If we want to see the sorting in action, we can go ahead, we'll click bubble sort. The way this algorithm sorts is by iterating up through an array, comparing the size of two elements at their respective indices. You can see by the end of the first iteration, the largest element will have been sorted and found its permanent home at the back of the array. This means that for each following iteration, the size of the array to be moved through can be decreased by an element, incrementally speeding the process up, which is pretty neat. You'll notice the bars being compared are darkened, which makes it a bit easier to follow along and get an idea of how this algorithm in particular is working. If you're interested in checking out the other sorting visualizations in action, I'll have this link to this web page on my portfolio. Thank you for your time.